Hello, it's me, Bryce, here again, and I decided to do a second part of the video about another vacation. So we can't do now. I'm just gonna go I'm not sure what will happen.
Oh, it's going to take away the chemical reaction. Oh my goodness, I was totally wrong. That looks awesome.